Today we're gonna show our garden.
Our garden? Okay, where are we gonna start?
We're gonna show these are the baby tomatoes.
Oh, okay.
These are the peppers.
Those are nasturtiums.
Oh, I forgot.
You forgot?
These are the peppers.
Yeah, you got the peppers.
These,
That's grass?
my mom started with these with seeds.
Yeah, it started from seeds, right? Inside the
And then
garage.
She did dirt and then she put these in and then it started to grow.
I watered and it started to grow.
This is grass, just real grass.
Mhm.
These are our flowers.
That I got from a nursery. Luna, do you know what's a nursery?
No.
It's a place where they sell plants.
Like a flower.
Yeah, flowers.
Flower sale.
Yeah. Do you want to show them our blueberries?
Wait, you wanna?
Those are the white flowers.
These
Or
are our white
no, these are not the
flowers.
white flowers. These are the silver flowers.
And these, Mom, can I eat one?
You can try it, but I don't think they're ripe. They're not ripe.
Wait, I wanna try one. I wanna see if one is ready.
Hmm?
I wanna see if one is ready.
Okay.
If
Uh,
one is not.
I haven't seen any ready yet.
So I just have one of these.
You can do a taste test. I told you they're not ready. Luna, you love blueberries, right, with your brother? We can go through a batch, actually no, we can go through 2 batches of blueberries in a week,
Wait,
if not
Mommy.
less. We usually buy the big blueberry
Wait, Mommy.
containers. Yep.
This is gonna be a good idea. When Xander grows up more, we might do a blueberry scavenger hunt.
A blueberry scavenger hunt.
Yeah, we might. You have to hide every blueberries in a bag so they don't get dirty.
Oh, that's a great idea. I was going to ask you that. How are you going to hide them? Because they're so tiny. So you want to show them the other one? We have here. Do you know what are these?
No.
These are strawberries. So
Ooh,
mommy,
I love strawberries.
so mommy got this
Oh,
strawberry.
Mommy, these are the wild ones. I love those.
Those are not the wild ones. These are called June-bearing type of strawberries. And mommy separated them out because they were all together. That's why some of them have no leaves. But look, they're growing.
Yeah.
They have green. And these are bush beans. I forgot to
Mommy.
where I started. I forgot where I started and I planted 4 of them by accident.
Mommy, it's next.
So Luna was excited to show you over there, right, Luna? But we're gonna show them right here our herbs.
Our stairs where the seeds are.
I have some random seeds in here. This is like my greenhouse, and this is a passion fruit that I took out yesterday. I mean today in the morning. I put in the shade so it doesn't get shocked. But I've had this passion fruit. Go ahead, Luna.
This is where the plants are on the stairs, but you can't climb on.
No, so Daddy created this stair.
Yeah, my dad created these.
And we have some solar panels that are just sitting there that are not working. So don't mind them. So this is, Luna, this is chocolate mint. Smell it. Take a leaf and rub it against your fingers. That's chocolate mint. Oh, you dropped it.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Smells good?
I think Messy doesn't want to smell.
That tiny leaf smells good. I can even smell it from here.
Why smell my fingers?
Does it smell like chocolate? Does it
No,
smell like
I
chocolate
can't
chip?
eat
You can eat it.
it. Wait, I already sneezed.
Oh. So I have more. This is spearmint, and I started from seeds, and this is peppermint. This is another spearmint and peppermint, and that's sweet marjoram.
It tastes good though.
Yeah,
Why don't you try one?
I'll try one. And this is bay leaves, and this is thyme. I got this from a nursery.
This one, eat it.
Let me taste it. It tastes like mint bubble gum, right?
Yeah.
It's good. So I was in this passion fruit. I had it for
But I kind of don't like it.
3 summers, but 2 years. This is yep, 3 summers, 2 years. So let's go.
Final last piece.
You actually ate it? I wouldn't think you eat it.
Spicy.
So Luna, before we get there, we're gonna show them that plant over there. Come.
That green bucket.
Not the green bucket, the one standing here.
Right there with the rock.
Yep. So this is a persimmon.
This is our
Persimmon.
orange tree.
This is Nikita's gift. It's called.
Who's Nikita?
Who's Nikita? It's the tree.
Oh.
And look,
Doggy,
we have some growth in there.
We got some growth and grown.
And I got this from Lowe's. Luna, did you know I got this from Lowe's, where mommy and daddy usually go? More daddy than mommy.
Yeah.
All right, you want to show them over there?
These are the buns.
The buds? Yeah?
Because we have buds at the school.
You have buds at school too? Your teacher
And
shows
guess
you
what
about
else
plants?
We have
What?
at school. We have ladybugs and butterflies. They're flying around our classroom right now.
Oh, really? That's fun.
I'll show you over.
So you want to show what daddy built for mommy?
What is?
That!
Oh, yeah.
So we have a hammock. And then we have Luna's playground. And we have mommy's favorite place.
This is what I could do on my monkey bar.
Oh, you want to show them first? Okay.
Can I show you? Can I show them everything that I could do?
Do the monkey bar, then we go inside.
And then I can show them everything here.
Once we're done, yeah. Oh my God. You do look like a monkey, Luna.
I did it kind of.
Yep. And you're so flexible. You're so, I guess, I don't know, sporty. Oh yeah, because you did gymnastics.
Yeah, we gotta do gymnastics right now. And this is what I could do.
Are you Spider-Man?
And this is what else I could do. I can do a backflip.
Are you Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Okay, Luna, so show them what daddy built for mommy.
These are our cebollas.
What's cebollas?
They are some vegetables that are really healthy for you that I didn't like when I was little.
Yeah, that you don't like when you were little. Those are onions.
Onions.
Hold on, Luna. We're gonna show them. We're gonna show them. We have cilantro on the side. And remember, what's this
Lettuce?
flower? Oh yeah, lettuce, right? We have. So we have. Yeah, you can try one.
I'm gonna do a taste test. Do you want to
Taste test. Okay. You usually don't do taste tests, so you're
No.
brave.
Okay, I actually like this now.
Yeah, it's buttery. Huh?
I like it actually.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, Luna. Luna, look, and that's celery over there.
Ooh.
And mommy planted cucumbers. Look, they're sprouting. Do you see them over there? The green ones? The green ones over there. Do you see them?
Those two leaves?
Yeah, those are
Oh yeah, I see it.
those are cucumbers. Then we have some leeks in here. And this is the view. So we have 2 beds of
You are-
tomatoes.
Can I rip one out?
Sure. And I interplanted them with spinach, cilantro, bunching onions,
They might not know what that means.
and let's see what else. Did I mention letters? Oh, and some flowers. Are you smelling that flower? Smell it.
Do you want to smell it, guys?
Smell it, guys.
And now you.
It matches your shirt.
Oh yeah.
Let me smell it. Can you smell it?
It smells butterish.
No, it smells like honey.
Oh yeah. I never tried honey before.
You've never tried honey before. You've had honey sticks.
Oh yeah, Sammy gate.
Yeah, Sammy, our neighbor. And I have some containers with oregano.
Yeah,
More clover than oregano at this point. What flower is that?
sunflower.
That's actually calendula.
Oh.
So all of the flowers, most of them are calendula. The mommy planted them on the others outside of the box.
We did the back one.
So we have another bed of tomatoes.
Yeah, and
And-
probably my dad put this up so, because you can't hold it up because it has
Oh, yeah.
a guy here.
Daddy put some
Yeah.
T-post.
And you know what these are, guys? I don't know what they
Petals.
are. No, this kind of flower.
Oh, those are calendulas. Right? They don't really have a scent.
They do smell like. This one,
Luna, we have more cucumbers in here.
what are these cucumbers?
I did see some in there. Or so.
These are,
Have cucumbers?
Wait, mommy. I remember what these flowers are now.
Calendulas, yes.
Mommy, I want
Oh, I'm sorry.
These are calendulas. I'm sorry that I passed those over there.
Oh, I'm sorry that you passed them over there. Okay. And oh, I remember this one. This is a poppy, I believe. Poppies.
And we're gonna give you the iPhone 14.
Wait, that's not true.
I mean, I might win the iPhone 14. If I will, I'm gonna give it to them.
Okay. So if you win the iPhone 14 on the raffle from
Yes.
Grandpa, you're gonna give it to someone?
I'm only giving it to my BFF.
To your BFF. And who's your BFF?
I'm only giving it to MILA.
And who's your BFF?
Mila.
Yes. So let's
Her house
continue. Let's continue. So do you know what are those?
No.
Those are bunching onions.
Ooh.
Those are different type of onions. And we usually, mommy and daddy loves to have them with eggs, right? And cilantro. And then we have bell peppers. One bed of bell peppers. Luna, did you know these, the second to last in this row, mommy took the seeds from the bell peppers that mommy got from the grocery
Can I
and
eat
dried
one?
them. No, these are leaves. Later they will give you bell peppers. So I dried the seeds,
Can
and
I
then
eat one?
mommy dried them, and then mommy planted them with soil. Well, seeded with sowed them with soil. And we have some bell peppers from the grocery growing here. And then I have a whole bunch of types that someday I'll go over briefly as to what kind of bell peppers I'm growing. But I know they're the yellow, the green, and the red. I have in here more oregano. I love oregano. I use oregano almost on everything. So these are tomatillos. I think these are the orange tomatillos.
I finished it.
And oh, you ate
I ate the whole thing.
that was celery.
Oh, I actually liked it.
You liked it?
Is this dirt on it?
No,
Or is it
it's
just-
rust.
Oh, I thought it kind of got burned
No.
on fire.
There's Misty.
She's
Eating grass.
Oh.
So we have
That's
here,
what that's what cows eat.
but I think dogs and cats eat grass too, Luna. I've heard that we usually when their tummy hurts. And we have more celery. And we have some eggplants in there and more random peppers. They're small compared to the others, even though they were started very closely. And Luna's gonna show you something special, Luna.
And this is our last thing, our back door. That's our front door. This is our back door. So we did every single bed.
Yeah, we did every single bed.
It's kind of like a W. I know. It's kind of
Like a W, I think it's like a C because we enter it that way and then we come across, then we exit one way.
And so this is all for today.
This is all for today. Mommy's gonna show them a little more.
Yeah. But can I show them my playground for a little while?
Later. So look, remember what was this?
No.
Nasturtium. It's a flower that's starting to bloom.
Mommy.
So here, mommy, I threw some potatoes, and they're growing. We had some extra, I guess, soil, dirt from the beds, and we threw them in here because we have nowhere else to throw. So I decided to dig a trench and put some potatoes. So this is an exciting experiment. Well, first I'm growing some zucchini, squash. So I have the black zucchini, and the summer yellow squash. It's starting to grow. It's starting to sprout. One of them. I covered it because or else the squirrels will go and dig in there. So we have this blueberry. Last year, I'm pretty sure it was a rabbit. It chewed up all of the leaves. So this year we have no blueberries because it nearly destroyed the plant. Like, it was only sticks out of this plant. And we only have one blueberry this year. Let's see. Just that one from this. So this is this summer it will be the first year with it. We have two of them, and that one is called, I think, the Blue Legacy, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yeah, Blue Legacy. Then we have a Meyer lemon, two of them. And then this is the fun part. This is my orange tree. This is the Car orange tree. And this one is this is the Satsuma mandarin, and the other one is the brown Satsuma. So we're in Connecticut, zone 7B. So my husband built me that greenhouse. Once you unlock it, all of it falls down up to here. Up to here. So we're gonna see if it survives this winter, or else I'll be sacrificing my citrus trees. And I have some butterfly bushes in there, and then I decided to throw some flowers. This one is fun. I wanted to see how it would grow this year. This is a Mexican marigold, or calendula. I always confuse this flower. I think it's a poppy. And some random onions. Hey, Misty. Misty. Misty, wanna say hi? Come. Come on. And this is our dog, Misty. You wanna say bye, Misty? You wanna say bye? No, not yet. Because we gotta show our blackberries. So all of those are, the big ones are blackberries. That's another kind. And we have some raspberries. That's the jewel raspberry in there. Then over there, it's the Carolina raspberry. And I don't know what kind of raspberry that is, because someone gave it to us. And this one in here, let's see if I can take the tag out. Double gold raspberry, so another yellow raspberry. I got these as dormant plants, just roots, and they survived and came back. This one's supposed to be a yellow raspberry too. Look how big. Look at the blackberries. Look at my towers. Hey, Misty. Come. You want to say bye, Misty? You want to say bye? You want to say bye? And you say bye. You have gum.
Two.
Oh my God.
Because